Here we've got CYRUS CS40, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So you have two methods, two possibilities. Let me start with the quickest one. Just open the phone dialer and go to keypad then, and now just enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, both IMEI numbers assigned to your CYRUS are right in front of you. Click on OK to go back. And then you can also open IMEI numbers with serial number through the settings. So at first you have to open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Here go to the About phone, so it's the very last icon, and click on Status. And now just go a bit lower, where you will find IMEI information, so both IMEI numbers are right in front of you. Then go back, and here you've got serial number. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.